buddy. So now we're in with Washipi, who you know has had surgery, so that's why her rear end is shaved. And she's got a bunch of dried skin coming off. And there's Balto over there with Tonya's private tour. Aww.
What do you do?
Get closer.
Balto is 6 years old, 7. Oh, Washipi. Wow.
That's unusual.
Yeah. She went to a man yesterday.
Look at the size of her feet versus his.
That's crazy.
See, she's from a colder climate than him. That's why she has the bigger feet.
She's Montana Tundra. Here, I'm just going to leave you this.
Okay, please.
Sorry.
Ooh, somebody's going crazy. Hold on.
Who is that?
Kayla and Wolf, I guess.
Okay.
That is the sound of wolves working something out.
And they don't bite one another. They have they mouth. They mouth each other. Everybody's got to look. Kayla!
Make him howl. Maybe that'll stop him.
Go ahead.
Hi, guys!
Balto's just picking it. Don't waste it all on Balto.
Okay.
Shadow!
No more.
No more? Okay.
It's for Washipi.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Oh, that's such a pretty howl, Denali.
Have you noticed how Balto tries to howl? That's because he has shepherd in him. Wolves go. Dog, wolf, dogs go.
Mowgli didn't, though. Mowgli howled like a wolf.
Yeah, but he had more wolf in him.
Yeah, he was like, woo.
Balto tries. That's all I care.
Hi, guys! You didn't howl very long. Hi, guys.
They're not Dakota and Durango and
know.
Sagani.
Istas always used to go too.
I miss them so much.
I was talking about him earlier.
Come here. Tell you what, Sheepy miss him. My Sheepy misses him a lot.
We'll give your tour. I'm just watching.
Watch Sheepy. We're gonna get her back over there.
Maybe I should go over there. Come on, Washipi. Dang, they are just arguing it up, aren't they?
Yeah.
Is that the mates?
Yeah. They're moving to never mind. So now it's quiet.
Yeah.
Except for them two. They're arguing over a bone. Because she ate all hers and she takes from him. She's the boss. Just like most women in life.
So tell them about Washipi and what she went through and how why she looks like a lion right now.
Yeah. Washipi had it was like scaring the daylights out of me. One day she wasn't getting up and I couldn't figure out why. So I called my vet and I said, I need to come down and get a trank unless you come here. So I went down there, got a trank, and from the time I left here to go there, where she pooped, I washed it off and everything, and there was larva,
Maggots?
yeah, them things. And I just freaked. And so I started washing them off. We gave her Ginger came by. She used to be my vet tech. She's my sister. We've known each other for 50-some years. And
Their bucket's empty.
no, it's not.
No?
She's. Yes, it is, because I just dumped it.
Yeah.
You're right. I got it. Hey, Matt, can you pull
Matt's
the hose
got a tour.
over?
Oh,
That's fine. He can
okay.
still do. Pull the hose over and give her some water. Her bucket's empty.
Hello, Florida. Hello, UK.
Oh, UK. England. Someday. I want to go over there someday.
Well, we got to go over there for Lisa's wedding. She's getting
no,
married.
I dumped it. It was dirty.
She's getting married to Davy Foster. We got to go over there for her
Bring me
wedding.
the hose and I'll do it.
Hi, Lisa, if you watch this. Hi, Davy, if you watch this.
You don't give him that much, though.
Okay.
Kind of give him a little at a time.
Ooh, he got that fly. Did you see him?
Oh, yeah, it's nasty as I'll get up.
I hope this is filming good. I can't see because of the bright sun. It's nice and warm out here.
Yeah, I have 3 layers of clothes on.
It was 26 in Wrightwood last night.
It was colder than a well digger.
Well, probably colder out here because of your wind.
Yeah. We didn't have wind. We just had everywhere.
I know, Cara wants to sleep outside at night. It's like
Yeah.
when it's cold, they want to be outside.
Yeah. The wolves like it.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we shaved. Train didn't work. Michael picked her up, put her in the back of my truck on a mattress that big with a quilt over it. She watched the whole time we were driving. I watched out the window. We'd get to the vets, get her on the x-ray table, and she put her head in Adam's belly, the vet tech, and just laid there while we shaved her and cleaned her and got all that out.
Come here, baby.
Didn't do a darn thing, took blood. Her blood came back beautiful. Took x-rays. I have the x-ray picture. I have to send it to you so you can put it out. Under her spine is some object that is making her rectum go downward. So I'm taking her to a specialist in Las Vegas where Sarah White works. And they're going to do x-rays again. And if they need to
Laparoscopic?
yeah, surgery. So now she looks like a lion and her butt healed.
Yeah, the problem was she was sitting down and defecating, and she got some sores because of it. So, but she's doing a lot better now. You can see she's walking, and she got to come back in here because she was miserable in the hospital pen, and Balto was miserable.
Oh, they were sad, but Balto's still miserable because he's getting... She tells him to leave her alone. He comes over and goes, I love you, shut up. Don't look at my behind.
Don't
What
even
are you
say
doing
anything
looking
about
at
my tail.
behind? What are you talking about? Do not say nothing about my behind.
Yes, you get to interact with them. See all these people here? We're all interacting with them.
Yeah, you get to go in with the wolves. You get to pet them, but right now the people are here, so here.
There's
I
so
gotta
many
give her
people
water.
here.
Yeah, so Warshipi won't come up.
Yeah.
And they'll be coming up in a minute. I'm going to get them water. I'll be right back.
So where'd you guys come from?
LA.
Okay. Where in LA?
Long Beach.
Oh, okay. So you're with the same group over there?
No.
Oh, they're from Long Beach too.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. They're from Long Beach too. Yes, Wolf, Dom, we are very lucky. I'm very lucky to be able to be around them. Let's go up and do a little closer over here so you can see Balto a little closer. Hi, baby. Hi, Balto. What are you doing? Are you going to leave because I got too close? Come here, my girl. Come here, my girl. I know you're a pretty girl. Yeah, pretty girl. Look at this gorgeous hair. Look at it. You can see brown underneath. You're so pretty, girl. You're so pretty, girl. Huh? You're so pretty, girl. I love you. To sleep with a pack of wolves, Chantal. Oh, the hose went off. And everybody jumped and it freaked Balto out. What happened, Balto?
Did you get wet?
Wow, I lost my focus. There we go. That was funny.
Do it.
Yeah, we used to, Chantal, when we had the big boys, we had a group of 5 males. And in the summer when it was really hot out here, we used to all go and lay down with them and we would all take naps. It was really wonderful. Okay guys, I'm gonna shut it down and I'll come back in a few minutes, okay? Bye.